Today I'm going to show you guys how to screenshot on your Mac. Pretty much, there's two ways to screenshot. One is a full screenshot, so you screenshot everything that's being displayed on your Mac. And the second one is a selective screenshot, where you get to select a certain area to screenshot. So to do this, it's really simple. All you have to do is hold Shift, Command, and for the full screenshot, you press 3. And then right there, it's going to automatically show up on your desktop. As you can see, it is right there. And the second way to do this is to, again, hold Shift, Command, and this time you're going to press 4. And you see right there, you can select a certain area to take a photo of or a screenshot of. And I'm going to select just the people chilling in the sunset. Boom. And it's right there. That's it. Alright, so if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to hit me up with a like, comment if you guys have any questions, and yeah, see you guys soon. Peace.